and welcome to Lazy Cooking with Sabrina. I'm so excited that you decided to click on this video. I'm so happy you're here. If you don't know who I am, my name is Sabrina. I'm a busy working mom of 4. My life is crazy and I never have time to cook. So I have mastered the ways of how to cut your cooking in half, and that's what pretty much all my videos are going to be about. Most of them are going to be really easy meals that you can cook in less than 30 minutes. I'll do some meal planning, meal prepping, and all that fun stuff. So I hope that you decide to go ahead and subscribe and follow me. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. But enough of that talking. Let's get into what am I planning on cooking today. Today I decided to do some salads and some really like lighter foods. And so today I'm going to be cooking a pasta salad, an avocado and tomato salad, which is with cucumbers, and it's so delicious, you guys. My kids absolutely loved it. Oh, it is definitely a banger, just let you know. And I'm also going to be making like a fruit bowl mixture of blackberries and strawberries and all the good berries and some kiwi in there. Oh my god, you guys. Oh, I'm ready to eat it right now. It's so delicious. So enough of this talking, let's get into this video. Alright, I'm going to start off with this berry salad. You're going to need you some strawberries. I used a whole container of strawberries. I made sure everything was washed and cut and ready to go. Some blueberries, raspberries, blackberries, and some kiwi. And I like I think they're called the honey kiwi. In a separate bowl, you're going to grate you up some lemon zest or some lemon peel, whatever you want to call it. You're going to need to squeeze 1 whole lemon. And of course, make sure you take the seeds out. Then I added about 2 tablespoons of honey. Alright, then you just mix that up and pour that right on top of your fruit bowl salad or whatever. Be very gentle when you mix your fruit up, because you know you don't want to smash anything together and make it look all crazy. Came out super delicious. My kids absolutely loved it. Definitely let me know if you try any of my recipes out, if anything worked for you. Alright, now it's time for my avocado and tomato salad. I added about, I want to say about 3 avocados, maybe 4, and then I sliced and peeled 1 whole cucumber. I sliced half of 1 whole large, maybe like a large onion, and then I chopped about I want to say about 2 tomatoes. Alright, most of you guys know that I don't really measure what I'm cooking, so I'm going to say I used about a little less than a tablespoon of garlic salt. Then I also used a little bit of some dehydrated cilantro. You also can use fresh cilantro, but that's just what I had at the time. And then also some black pepper. Then I drizzled just a little bit of olive oil on top. I used about a tablespoon of red wine vinegar. Alright, mixed it all up. Here's another game changer. I'm telling y'all, my kids absolutely loved it, and I love it when my kids eat vegetables and they just, you know, it's always a good feeling when they eat their vegetables. Alright, now on to my pasta salad. First, going to start off with some olive oil. I used about, I want to say about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And then I used about, I want to say about a tablespoon of white wine vinegar. Alright, I used about a teaspoon of salt. Then I put a little less than a teaspoon of some basil and a little less than a teaspoon of some oregano. I put about 2 tablespoons of water, 1 teaspoon of sugar. I absolutely love basil, and this is totally optional. I also added a couple leaves of some fresh basil leaves from my garden and a little bit of rosemary as well. Alright, then I mixed that all up. In a separate large bowl, I added some already cooked and cooled off bow tie pasta. I am a spinach lover, so I use 2 handfuls of chopped spinach. If you can use about 1 hand if you like, but as I said, I love me some spinach. Then I added some tomatoes, about 1 whole tomato. I diced that up, and then I also diced me up some bell peppers. I use the small bell peppers, so I'll just say maybe 1 whole bell pepper would be enough. And as you know, I like my bell peppers colored because 1, they're beautiful, and 2, they just taste better to me, but you can do whatever works for you, boo. I also added 1 small can of drained black olives. Then I add that salad dressing that I made earlier right in there, and then I'm going to mix this all up. I also added about 2 tablespoons of, sun-dried tomatoes. Sorry, my mind went blank, y'all. My mom brain. I had about 2 tablespoons of the sun-dried tomato paste, or you can just add the whatever type of sun-dried tomatoes that you have. I add that on there, and then I also added about a teaspoon of some minced garlic. And I'm now adding some Italian blend cheese. I use the Great Value brand, but any brand of some Italian cheese that you like, you can add that all up in there. And here are my results. Oh my gosh. Anyway, this came out really good. It lasts about 2 or 3 days in the refrigerator, but honestly never lasts that long for us because this is perfect for lunch or a little side dish, whatever you want to eat it with. Is just bomb, y'all. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I appreciate you guys for you guys who keep coming on back. I appreciate the love and support. Definitely share this video out there with some future cooks out there. And definitely follow me on my other social medias, especially Instagram, and it is lazycookingwithsabrina. Definitely follow that, and I post pictures and all that fun stuff, so definitely follow me there. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. And as always, guys, God bless.